Welcome back to me opening up my Christmas countdown boxes. If you are new here, I'll put them all in a playlist. But today we're opening up 2 days of the Adam Sews and the Sunny Path Fabrics box. I'll never remember Sunny Path Fabrics. Okay, so these are both 12-day countdown boxes. I've been opening them up every other day, but I have actually forgotten to do them every so often. So we're doing every 4 days or so. First up, we're going to open up the Adam Sews Day 8, already labeled Day 8 for us. His box is designed to be opened every other day. Oh my gosh, it's an Art East Quilting Co. pattern. I've always wanted to try one of their patterns. This is called Knitted for You. And it's a cute little sheep with a little sweater. How cute is that? That is super, super cute. I really, really like this. I might have to give this one a go. I like that a lot. I have a dream of making an otter quilt in 2026. And one of the patterns that has an otter I want to try is also an Art East Quilting Co. pattern. So I'm pretty excited about that. That's cute. So that was Day 8. And Day 10 is a little spool of thread, nice green thread. And what is this? I don't know what this is. It's cute though. It's a little dog, like a little balloon dog on a little, is it just like a keychain? Let's see. Kind of reminds me of what do you call it? It reminds me of like a stitch counter for crochet. Maybe that's what this is. A little stitch counter. This is by the Cheshire Design House. Cheshire Design House. Little doggy. And then that's what the clasp look like, which is why it reminds me of a stitch counter. So I'll have to go see. I think Adam is posting videos every day. I might have to go catch up on his videos to see the scoop on this. So very cute. So we got some thread, the stitch counter or keychain, and the pattern for the last 2 days. All right, let's go back over to the Sunny Path Fabrics. Look at that. I finally committed it to memory. And we have days 4 and 5. So if I'm opening every other day, this should have been open on the 4th. This is Day 5. I don't know what this is, but it's firm on the 10th, which is today. So let's see here. Day 4 feels like fabric. I really like this box. I've liked everything in it so far. Look at this cute little fat quarter with all the stockings on it. How cute. This fabric is just adorable. I love it. I love it. I love it. And Day 5. Okay. I'm pretty stoked about this. This is assorted caramels. So what does that say? Original sea salt, chocolate, butter, rum, and cappuccino. And my husband just started doing the keto diet. So guess what? As long as I hide this from the kids, it's all mine. Yum. How cute. Annie B's caramels assorted. Unexpected. So that's so funny. So each box today for these 2 days had something expected, a quilt pattern or a piece of fabric, and then had something unexpected, that little keychain or the caramels. What a fun day of unboxings. So, all right. Like I said, I'll put a playlist up here of all the videos of unboxing. And I think at the end of this, I'm going to do a super cut of just the Sunny Path box and just the Adam Sews box at the end, so that if you want to watch them all the way through, you can, because let's be honest, there's a lot of videos in December and I don't know if you're keeping up with all of them. If you're still watching, I'll plug my Clubhouse membership, $5 a month. And down below in the description, there's a link and you can actually get a little preview of what it looks like inside the Clubhouse. I hope that you are taking care of yourself and I will talk to you in a couple of days, probably 4 days. Okay, bye.